Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. You are crafting with Katrina. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come on back for some more tutorials and things that I can show you on how to enhance your gift giving, holiday season, and any occasion needs. For those of you who are returning to my channel, thank you for your support and thank you for returning to the Crafty Corner. So I got Happy Mail today, and y'all know I love me some Happy Mail. So this Happy Mail came from Temu, and it was some black makeup bags that I ordered probably about 2 weeks ago. They have finally come in. I decided to take my DTF transfers that I ordered quite some time ago, and I've also showed you those in live when I did a DTF transfer on one of the children's hats. And by the way, that hat did sell. It is gone. So these DTF transfers were of the different African American women shown in Christmas scenes. And I decided to do 4 of these as I got 10 of these makeup bags off of Temu. So this is the first one that I did. I also ordered some parchment paper from Temu. Now this is a different kind of parchment paper and I really like it. It really does a great job. Now this particular DTF transfers, these are cool peels. Alright, so I'm going to heat it up a little bit more just to make sure it is stuck down real good. Then we're going to put it to the side while we do our next one. Now they come with the already on the transfer tape. So you actually don't have to use parchment paper if you don't want to. I do like to use the parchment paper. And I take the bag itself, I unzip it, and I line the inside with the parchment paper. Because sometimes the sticky stuff from your DTF transfer will try to go through to the other side of the medium you're using to put your transfer on. Alright, a good practice is to iron the surface and heat it up that you're going to be attaching your DTF to. And this helps with the adhesion of your DTF transfer. So this one here, I've decided to use Joy and Christmas. I have 2 of those. Alright, and then I'm going to, all 3 of these say Joy. I'm going to trim one of them down. And this is the one that spells out the word joy. And I'm just trimming it down so that I can get a better fit on the canvas bag that is the makeup bags I'm putting these on. And I'm just doing this to enhance the black bag and to utilize stuff in my stash like these DTF transfers, as I have quite a few of these. I'll be using these for Mother's Day as well as soon as those bags get here, so that I can put the DTF shoe transfers on those bags. And if you didn't see the shoes, then go back and watch one of my videos that displays the shoes, so that you'll have an idea of what it is I'm talking about. And don't worry, the thumbnail is the shoe. So I'm just making sure my DTF transfer is even and straight. And then I'm going in here with my heat press mini. And this is a Cricut mini that I bought from Cricut. And I've had this one for quite some time. But sometimes with the DTF transfers, it is better to use the mini. And you're just going to iron it until you're comfortable that it is holding its place and that your DTF transfer is adhering to the canvas bag. Canvas bags can be a little thick for material, and they can be a little bit harder to iron on, so you want to make sure you iron it enough times to get that DTF on there. Now this particular heat press has 3 settings. So you can set it to the temperature that you want. And I have this on the highest temperature because it is a DTF transfer, and these are canvas bags that I ordered from Temu. Alright, and that's what this one is looking like. We're going to let that cool. And I'll take my first one that I did, and we'll go ahead and peel it off. Now I like to start with the corner and make sure I get it started good. And I'm just going to peel it from the bottom up, making sure all of it is pressed down good. And that's the transfer sheet there. And as you can see, using our parchment paper in the middle keeps it from adhering to the other side of the bag. And I think that that has turned out very cute. Now I'm going to take my heat press and just go over it to make sure it adheres really good. And this heat press is so small, sometimes I have the habit of hitting that off button because it is right there on the top. I'm going to press that off. I'm just going to peel my parchment paper off of it, and we're going to let that sit. Now I got a little bit of lint on there, but no worries because it brushed right off. And that is what our bag is looking like. And it says, "Have a melanin Christmas." Alright, now we're going to peel our second DTF transfer off. And this one I just started peeling from the top. Alright, and that is the second one. It says "Joy." So of course I will be using these bags in a concept, and I decided to make 4 of them. So these are the first 2 that I made. Then I'm coming in with another canvas bag, sticking my parchment paper inside. I'm going to again pick one of the DTF transfers, trim it down, and repeat the same process of ironing it on. So you want to trim that down just like so, and make sure you don't cut your design. But all that extra paper is not needed. It's actually in the way. So I want to peel that down so that I can fit my design onto the canvas bag without having to fight with extra sticky paper. And again, you want to make sure it's straight. Now you can use a ruler, or you can just use your eyeballs to line it up with, like I did here. And then just repeating the same process. I'm going to iron it on, applying even pressure all over the design and distributing heat all over the design. so that the whole design adheres to the canvas bag. Now I went over these designs for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And that's all that was needed to get them to adhere to the canvas bag. And then once I had the design down, I covered it with the parchment paper and went over it again, just to make sure they all stayed down. So here are all the designs that I created. I'm going to stack them up here and show them all to you after I finish ironing this one. So again, this is another one, and it says joy as well. And it has our beautiful black woman in there that turned out really, really nice. And I'm only doing 4 of these because these are Christmas designs. So if they do not sell, then I will definitely be rolling them over for Christmas next year. So there's Have a Melanin Christmas, Joy, Christmas Joy, Christmas Joy, and Christmas Joy. I think these transfers turned out really, really cute and will definitely make great additions to some Christmas grab-and-go concepts for these makeup bags. So please make sure you tell me what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Come on over to the Crafty Corner and get crafty with me. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.